Number 7 wants us to find the volume of a cone. So our formula for a cone is 1/3 times pi times r squared times h. So my radius of this cone is from there to there, so that's going to be half of 6. So my radius is going to be 3 yards. Now I'm ready to look at the volume formula. 1/3 times pi times 3 squared times 7. So I'm going to type that in on the calculator and then round to the nearest tenth. And our volume is going to be, actually we have to round up, so it's going to be 66 cubic yards.